I get asked all the time, Rhonda, what is your favorite business tool? In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 3 reasons why Trello is my favorite business tool. Welcome to my channel. My name is Rhonda Melody, and I am a systems strategist. My goal is to protect your most valuable asset, your time. I do that by designing systems to streamline your life and business processes. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I publish a new video every Tuesday. Before we get started with my 3 top reasons why I love Trello, I just want to say that I want you to pick a tool and learn it like the back of your hand. Trust me when I say you're not missing out. What you are missing out on is the time that you waste when you move from tool to tool to tool. Trust me on this, all right? So the number 1 reason why I love Trello is that it is digital. I know that's like an obvious answer, but I can't remember how many notebooks, sketchbooks, planners that I used to fill with all of my business information, my ideas, passwords, you name it. I would put it in those books and then I couldn't find it. I would waste so much time going through notebook and pages of notes. Now everything is centrally located on one main Trello board, and I can literally have my business at my fingertips. Which leads me to the second reason why Trello is my favorite business tool. And it is because I can literally put my business at my fingertips. It is how I organize my Trello home base. For a link for your free template, make sure you check out the description. But I have everything that I need, from passwords to affiliate links to swipe files to branding information. It doesn't matter. It's all on my main Trello board where I can access information from my phone, my laptop. It doesn't matter where I am. It doesn't matter what I'm doing. I always have my business at my fingertips. And the number 3 reason why Trello is my favorite business tool is because it saves me time. I use a week at a glance, which means I am looking at 2 weeks at a time. I can very quickly transfer information from one week to the next or from day to day. I used to love using planners, but now I say that planners are Pinterest on my desk. Now, before you get upset about that, think about it. Planners made me feel fantastic, but it didn't save me time, and it didn't help me be more efficient. Next, I moved to printables, and that really didn't work either because I dreaded Sunday afternoons when I would print out the printable and then write in my schedule for the next week. By using Trello and using my time blocking system that I have for my week at a glance, I can very quickly know exactly what I need to do when I close my business on Friday, and I'm ready to go when I open on Monday. So there you have it, my 3 top reasons why Trello is my favorite business tool. If you like this video, show me some love and tap on the heart and tell me how you're using Trello in your business. I also invite you to my private Facebook group, Strategy by Design, where I share free workshops and special guests to help you build an irresistible and profitable online presence.